Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now by securing refrigerant removal. This is legal and prevents injury. Make arrangements with a certified shop, then proceed. Once done, disconnect the negative battery to avoid shorts, jack the car, and remove the engine cover. You need access to the compressor, so take off the serpentine belt using the tensioner. This releases tension and reveals the compressor bolts. Make sure to keep fasteners organized. Why? Because proper access and a safe, discharged/C system prevent damage and keep you safe. With the battery disconnected and refrigerant recovered, you now detach electrical connectors and refrigerant lines, photograph and label everything to ensure correct reassembly. Once labeled, loosen the line bolts and remove them quickly, capping ports to prevent contamination. Support the compressor as you remove the mounting bolts. There are typically 3 to 4. Keep the unit steady to avoid bending fittings. After unbolting, transfer any necessary brackets or sensor clips to the new compressor. Make sure to inspect O-rings, and you install the new compressor by first lubing new O-rings with the correct PAG oil and positioning the unit on its mounts. Torque the mounting bolts to Honda specs to avoid distortion. Reconnect the clutch and electrical connectors, then reinstall the serpentine belt and engine cover. Once assembled, vacuum the system to remove moisture and air, then charge with the specified refrigerant amount. After reconnecting the battery, run the A/C while monitoring pressures and temperatures. If the compressor clicks or pressures are wrong, check for air in the system or improper oil change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.